People who feel abandoned want to know, what has the Prime Minister done to help out people in this crisis since it's begun?
Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Speaker, every step of the way we've been there to offer support and assistance to the City of Ottawa as it deals with this. We've been working closely with the province to ensure that resources get to the City of Ottawa to be able to handle this protest. We will continue to be there to support not just the citizens of Ottawa who are impacted by this protest, but also folks across the country, including hardworking truckers stuck at border crossings because of protests that are affecting and impacting and limiting their fellow citizens. So I call upon the Conservative Party to be consistent and in here and out there call to an end of these protests.
The Leader of the Opposition.
Speaker, the Prime Minister has politicized the pandemic and been divisive, and even his own members are seeing it. Now, countries around the world are opening up, and even here in Canada, provinces are opening up. They're following the science and the evidence, whether it's Dr. Henry in BC, Dr. Moore in Ontario. They all agree we have to learn to live with COVID. Conservatives believe that living with COVID means opening up and ending the mandates, and I believe there are some Liberals who believe the same thing. So will the Prime Minister follow the science, end the lockdowns, and let Canada once again be the true North, strong and free?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Speaker, I'm extremely pleased to hear the Conservatives finally talking about following science, because that's something that they have fallen down on throughout this pandemic, whether it was not choosing to get vaccinated, whether it's continuing to debate over the effectiveness of public health measures. Fortunately, we've been working with provincial premiers right across the country to bring in the kinds of restrictions, the kinds of mandates that have saved Canadians' lives. Unfortunately, we see Conservatives continuing to both call an end to the protests from in here and support them out there. They need to be more responsible leaders to get through this and to play less politics.